Hello, kids! Welcome back to Wonder Kids Buddies. Today, we are going to learn something very important about the clock. Did you know the clock has 60 minutes? Let's find out. The clock is a big circle. This circle is divided into 60 tiny minutes. That means one full round of the minute hand is 1 hour, equals 60 minutes.
Each big number on the clock stands for 5 minutes. From 12 to 1 was 5 minutes. From 12 to 2 was 10 minutes. From 12 to 3 was 15 minutes. From 12 to 4 were 20 minutes, and so on. Let's count by fives together around the clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So when the minute hand points to 1, it means 5 minutes past the hour. When it points to 2, it means 10 minutes past. On 3, it means 15 minutes past, which we also call quarter past. On 6, it's 30 minutes, which is half past. On 9, it's 45 minutes, also called quarter to the next hour. And when it comes back to 12, it's 60 minutes, which means one whole hour is complete. Great job, kids! Now you know the clock has 60 minutes, and each number is 5 minutes apart. Now, we'll practice reading times like quarter past, half past, and quarter to. Now let's play a quick quiz to check what we learned. Are you ready? Let's go! If the minute hand is on number 1, how many minutes is that? Right, it's 5 minutes. If the minute hand is on 2, how many minutes is that? Yes, it's 10 minutes. When the minute hand is on 3, how many minutes is that? And what do we call it? Yes, correct. It's 15 minutes. Quarter past. When the minute hand is on 6, how many minutes is that? What do we call it? You are right. It's 30 minutes. Half past. When the minute hand is on 9, how many minutes is that? What do we call it? Yes. It's 45 minutes. Quarter to. When the minute hand goes all the way around the clock back to 12, how many minutes have passed? You are correct. It's 60 minutes. One full hour. Amazing work, kids! You now know that the clock has 60 minutes and each number means 5 minutes. Keep practicing, and in the next quiz, we'll learn to read quarter past, half past, and quarter to. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Wonder Kids Buddies.